San Francisco, a beloved destination for many, is situated at the tip of a peninsula bordered by the San Francisco Bay and the Pacific Ocean. Known for its compact layout, steep rolling hills, and surrounding waters, the city charms visitors with its summer fog, Victorian architecture, iconic cable cars, and breathtaking views. A word of advice: avoid calling it Frisco and pack some warm clothes. The saying, "the coldest winter I ever spent was a summer in San Francisco," though not penned by Mark Twain, aptly captures the city's unique weather. Here's a glimpse at the top tourist attractions in San Francisco. Number 10. Palace of Fine Arts. A stunning remnant of the 1915 World's Fair, the Palace of Fine Arts showcases a majestic Roman-inspired rotunda and gracefully curved colonnades, all set within a picturesque park complete with a European-style lagoon. It's an ideal spot to relax, enjoy a picnic, and watch elegant swans gliding across the water. The venue also hosts a theater that features an array of performances, including musical and cultural events. Number 9. Chinatown. Founded in the 1840s, San Francisco's Chinatown holds the distinction of being the oldest and one of the largest and most renowned Chinatowns outside Asia. It was originally settled by Chinese merchants and immigrant workers, many of whom contributed to building the Transcontinental Railroad or worked in the mines during the gold rush. Today, the vibrant tourist hub of Chinatown is centered along Grant Avenue, stretching from Bush Street to Broadway. Number 8. Alamo Square. Alamo Square is a charming residential neighborhood and park, famed for the iconic Painted Ladies, a picturesque row of Victorian houses located on its eastern edge along Steiner Street. The area is surrounded by additional beautifully preserved Victorian homes, adding to its appeal. The park itself features a playground and a tennis court, making it a popular spot for locals, tourists, and dog owners alike. Number 7. Transamerica Pyramid. Situated in the heart of San Francisco's financial district, the Transamerica Pyramid stands as another iconic symbol of the city, second only to the Golden Gate Bridge. Designed by architect William L. Pereira, the pyramid shape was chosen to allow more light and air to reach the streets below. Completed in 1972, this architectural marvel rises to a height of 853 feet, maintaining its status as the tallest building in San Francisco's skyline. Number 6. Lombard Street. Nestled between Hyde and Leavenworth Streets, Lombard Street is often referred to as the crookedest street in the world. While it isn't technically the most crooked or steepest street in San Francisco, its famous one-block stretch with 8 sharp hairpin turns was designed to make the hill's steep incline more manageable. This iconic section has a speed limit of just 5 miles per hour, making it a must-see for visitors exploring the city. Number 5. Golden Gate Park. Originally a vast expanse of sand dunes, Golden Gate Park has been transformed into a sprawling urban oasis filled with unique attractions like windmills, a bison paddock, and a historic carousel. Spanning an area about 20% larger than New York's Central Park, it's best to plan your visit or bring a bike to explore its vast grounds. One of the park's most popular highlights is the Japanese Tea Garden, renowned for its serene ponds, arched bridges, traditional Japanese-style structures, and a tranquil tea house. Number 4. Cable cars. San Francisco's world-famous cable cars traverse the city's steep streets along 3 lines connecting Market Street and Fisherman's Wharf. Riding these historic cars is a delightful experience, especially if you snag a spot standing on the running board. While they may seem more of a tourist novelty, locals also rely on them for daily commutes. The cable cars are so popular that on weekends, the wait to ride up Powell Street often exceeds the time it would take to walk the short but steep route. Number 3. Alcatraz. Known as The Rock, Alcatraz Island has a storied past as a lighthouse, a military fortification, and a maximum security prison. It housed some of America's most infamous criminals, including Al Capone and Machine Gun Kelly. Surrounded by the icy waters of San Francisco Bay, the prison was considered inescapable. However, the most famous escape attempt was made by Frank Morris and brothers John and Clarence Anglin, who crafted a makeshift raft from stolen raincoats. Today, Alcatraz is a popular tourist destination and historic site, managed by the National Park Service, offering tours that delve into its fascinating history. Number 2. Fisherman's Wharf. A top tourist destination in San Francisco, Fisherman's Wharf stretches from Pier 39 to Municipal Pier at the end of Aquatic Park. For more than a century, this historic waterfront was the heart of the city's fishing fleet, and it remains renowned for its exceptional seafood restaurants. Visitors can also explore souvenir shops, historical landmarks, and enjoy scenic views of the bay. One of the wharf's highlights is the lively colony of sea lions at Pier 39, drawing crowds throughout the year. Number 1. Golden Gate Bridge. The Golden Gate Bridge is a stunning suspension bridge that spans the Golden Gate Strait, connecting San Francisco to Marin County to the north. Completed in 1937 after 4 years of construction, it was the longest suspension bridge span in the world at the time. Today, the Golden Gate Bridge stands as an iconic symbol of California, recognized worldwide. Its distinctive red-orange color was carefully selected to enhance visibility through the dense fog that often envelops the bridge, ensuring it remains a striking landmark even on the foggiest days.